If you have an older RV, it probably does not have enough cup holders default, so you're probably going to want to add some. So that's what I'm going to show you today. I have a 1992 Class C Tioga, and it came with just one cup holder, and it wasn't very good. So I went on Amazon to pick up some of these Camco drink holders, and I'm really liking them. In this video, I'm going to review them and also show you how I installed them. So here's what they look like after I installed them. They're closed up, and they just fold down, and then you can fold out the top of it, and you can adjust this. So you can make this pretty big. So I'm pretty sure you'd fit a big gulp in there. I believe I've done that with this cup holder. You can see also what I like is that it is separate here. So let me just close this up to about the right size for my cup. I like to drive around with a cup with a handle, so not one of the travel cups. My wife likes one of the travel cups, but you can see that fits, and it also has the space for the handle, so I can use that. And if you have something smaller or larger, it will fit that too. And then you just squeeze that, push that down, close it up, and it's out of your way. And you can install these. I installed them between the passenger and driver's seat, but you could install these in the back of the RV, wherever you think you need another cup holder, especially where you need a cup holder when people are seated while you're driving. So I bought the first one of these right after I got the RV, because I knew I needed at least one cup holder, and I wanted to test it out. And because I was really happy with it, I added the second one. Back in, a year or so ago, they did come with this sticky tape that you could use to try to stick it to something in your RV. It was really a nightmare. You need to add extra sticky tape, and then as I was driving along, it fell off. So now I've got these installed with screws here, so I'm going to show you how I did that. Now, it comes with these screws that are kind of pointy screws, so if you're able to screw into something. But right here, what I've got is kind of a thin piece of plastic on the motor hub access thing. And so I decided to instead go to the hardware store and replace these screws with some bolts that are, similar head in terms of being at an angle there and having a flat head, but also just, I think, maybe a 1/4 inch longer, so that it could accommodate this extra length and have room for a nut, an acorn nut. I just learned is what these are called, on the back side. So what you'll need for this install is a drill and a drill bit and a screwdriver or a screwdriver bit, and I used a needle nose pliers to be able to hold the acorn nut while I screwed it in. So the way I started, I used a marker. Once I held the drink holder on to the plastic, I used a marker to mark all 4 holes. And one thing I learned is that I would probably start by marking 2 holes and drilling those 2 holes. And then once it's in place, using the drill to drill the other 2 holes, because what I found was that the 4th hole on each of these was just a tiny little bit off, and I had to drill it a second time. So mark your first 2 holes, drill, install the cup holder, and then use your drill bits directly through the cup holder to drill the holes for the second 2 holes. So I put those little bolts through the holes, and then on the back side, I actually added a washer and a acorn nut, and then took a screwdriver just because that was easier than getting my my drill in there with a drill bit. These aren't very long. You can use a manual screwdriver. So I used a manual screwdriver, held the acorn nut with my needle nose pliers, and tightened it up. And then, of course, I had to add one on my wife's side of the RV so that she had a place for her beverage too. Thanks for watching. Push the like button if you think Lila's the cutest dog ever. She is a rescue from Mexico, and actually I've got a whole nother channel about my life in Mexico. You can check that out up here.